Okay, it looks like you're asking for some help here, trying to find cotangent, secant, and cosecant for this right triangle. Got to make sure that you understand what we mean by opposite side, adjacent side, and the hypotenuse in a right triangle. So angle A here has two rays that make it up, these two red rays, and the opposite side is the leg of the right triangle that is not this ray right here. This ray is the adjacent side. The longest side is the one opposite the right angle, and it's always called the hypotenuse. And these are the three basic trig ratios right here. The sine of A, we say, in a right triangle is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent opposite over adjacent. If we move over to your triangle, and I want to find the basic three trig ratios, the sine of this angle right here is the opposite side over the hypotenuse, 3/5. Cosine of A is the adjacent side, the leg that includes one of the rays that makes up angle A, 4/5, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now, you're asked to find what are called the reciprocal ratios. And the way that I remember it for sine and cosine is that the name of the ratio for the reciprocal has the opposite letter. So sine of A is the cosecant of A. And the cosecant of A just means turn this ratio upside down. Instead of opposite over hypotenuse, the cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite. Or you can think sine, turn it upside down. Instead of 3/5, it's 5/3. And for the cosine of A, the reciprocal has the opposite letter, secant. Secant of A, turn the cosine upside down, or look at it this way. Cosine is 4/5, secant is 5/4. And then tangent, opposite over hypotenuse, opposite over adjacent. So the cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. Just turn it upside down, or say adjacent over opposite, 4/3. By the way, this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, which means 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. That's what we call the Pythagorean triple. Okay, and you could find the measure of angle A by using inverse trig function on your calculator. We'll leave that for another time. Hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.